Welcome to Position Focus Tips and Tools. In this video, we will navigate through a position focus document showing various features. We'll also make edits and utilize the tools available. Here we're looking at the home page of Staff Web. To get to the position focus documents, go to Leader Development HR to Team Position Focus. Here we see the current documents. On the left side, you can also see shared and historical documents. You can reopen or transfer documents or view only documents. Under the list of current documents, you'll see a funnel. This is where you can filter by name, document type or status, and date. On the right, you see the up-down arrow button. That allows you to sort by name, job title, document type or status, and dates. Let's click on Mickey Mouse. On the right side, you see Mickey's position focus, and the left is the staff development cycle outlined in steps and tasks. You can collapse the left side by pushing on the left arrow button, and now you have more room to view your position focus. Under Mickey's name, you'll notice an actions list. You can click on Staff Account Inquiry, and that's where you can view his account balance. If you want to go back to the position focus, click the blue button at the top in the navy bar. As you scroll down into the document, you can see it's available to view in multiple ways. Long format creates a continuous document. You can also collapse everything, or expand it by section, or view in the tab format. The tab format splits the document into the main position focus document on the left and the mid-year review on the right. Let's look at Mickey's critical mission objectives. Lead a weekly Bible study. On the right, you'll see a notepad where you can make confidential notes that the staff member won't see. You can click on the pencil and do edits to the CMO, or you can click the trash can and delete it entirely. Let's do some edits. You'll see that there are blue bars over each section that allow you some word processing features. You can expand the section out so you have more room to look at it. You can change the font. You can change the size of the font. You can make it bold or italicized or underlined. Or you can simply undo all your changes. You can collapse it back into the document. You can also do a spell check. Click the blue book. And we're going to allow the change. We're going to ignore the second change. And it tells us the check is complete, so we hit OK. You also have the capability to create a table. You can also type in a date. Or you can use the calendar. And you can click Update, which changes the CMO to reflect your edits. At the top of the document, you'll notice the Save and Print buttons, as well as the Notify button. Notify is only for when you're finished with a certain step in the position focus cycle and you're notifying someone to continue with their next step. The Print button will ask you if you want to save your changes before printing the document. In this case, we say yes. And it gives us a PDF, which we can print or save on our computer for later. As the year goes along, the document will change continually. If you want to save a document the way it looks at a particular point in time, You can do a print or a PDF. So now we'll click Save and click the Actions list and sign out. This has been Position Focus Tips and Tools. Thank you.